In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word document to PDF or Dropbox. If you've ever needed a polished, shareable version of a document that looks the same on every device, converting your Word file to a PDF is the way to go. The best part is that Dropbox makes this quick and effortless, without changing or replacing your original file. Start by locating a Word document you've already uploaded to your Dropbox. This works with both .doc and .docx files. From your file list, click the document to open it in the Dropbox previewer. You don't need to open any desktop app. The previewer gives you a clear look at your pages, images, and formatting right in your browser. As you hover over the file name in your list, a single click opens the preview, keeping the process fast and simple. Once you're in the preview, look for the Save As option. This is your conversion menu. Click it, and from the drop-down, choose PDF. The moment you select PDF, Dropbox generates a high-quality version of your document while leaving your original Word file exactly where it is. There's no overwriting, no manual exporting, and no extra setup. In most cases, the conversion completes in just a couple of seconds, so you can keep moving without losing your place or breaking your workflow. If you already have the file open, there's another quick route. Simply click File in the top left corner and select Save as PDF. That's it. Dropbox will place the new PDF in the same folder as your original, so you can immediately see both versions side by side. This makes it easy to confirm the result at a glance and choose which one you want to share or keep working with. A quick tip while you're in the previewer. Take a moment to scan your pages before converting, especially if your document includes images, charts, or custom fonts. The preview helps you confirm that everything looks the way you expect, and the PDF will preserve that layout for consistent viewing on any device. And you're done. From Word to PDF in just a couple of clicks, with your original safely intact and a professional, portable version ready to share, print, or archive. That's how you convert a Word document to a PDF in Dropbox. Fast, clean, and reliable. You're all set.